Hey, everybody. Today we're diving into 20 genius tips for using your Bluetooth speaker like a pro. Let's get to it. So first up, when you're buying a Bluetooth speaker, think about the size that suits your lifestyle. If you're always on the move, pick something small and light. But if you want booming bass and music that fills up a whole room, go for a bigger speaker with more drivers. Remember, portability and power don't always go hand in hand. Next, the battery life is crucial. No one wants their speaker to die in the middle of a party. Look for speakers that last at least 10 to 15 hours. Some brands even offer 24-hour playback. Keep an eye out for battery-saving features like auto-off timers. And always check how quickly the battery drains at higher volumes. Now, if you're into outdoor adventures or just really clumsy, a waterproof or water-resistant speaker is a must. Look for IPX ratings. IPX7 means it can be submerged underwater, while IPX4 just resists splashes. JBL and Ultimate Ears have some great waterproof options. Speaking of features, don't ignore the Bluetooth version. Aim for Bluetooth 5.0 or higher. It'll give you better energy efficiency, stronger connections, and an extended range of up to 800 feet in perfect conditions. Older versions might have connection drops or lag when watching videos. Check out our channel for more awesome tech tips. Now back to the tips. Next up, pairing multiple devices is super handy. Many speakers allow you to connect to 2 or more devices at once. Perfect for parties or switching between your phone and laptop. JBL S Connect Plus and Bose S Party Mode let you pair several speakers together for stereo sound or multi-room music. Now, sound quality isn't just about pumping the bass, although some models definitely do that better than others. A good speaker balances bass, mids, and highs. Some speakers emphasize the bass but make vocals sound muddy. Test the speaker with different genres, like hip-hop, classical, and podcasts. Brands like Bose and Sonos focus on audio clarity, while others crank up the party-style booming bass. And don't ignore the app. Most top-tier Bluetooth speakers have apps that let you change sound settings, update the firmware, pair speakers in stereo, and even control the buttons. Download the app for full control. Next up, charging ports. Some use the newer USB-C, which is faster and more durable. Others still use the older micro USB. USB-C is faster and more durable. And a bonus, some speakers like those from Anker Soundcore can also double as power banks to charge your phone. Oh, and don't forget durability. If you plan to take your speaker hiking, or biking, or traveling, look for a rugged design with a shock-proof exterior and rubber case. The JBL Flip Series and the UE Boom are known for being tough and ready for the outdoors. Now, here's a fun fact. You can also use Bluetooth speakers in your home for background music, in the kitchen, bathroom, or home office, or use them as soundbars for your TV. Compact models like the Bose SoundLink or Sonos Roam are perfect for this. Hands-free calling is another cool feature. Many Bluetooth speakers include a built-in mic so you can take calls directly through the speaker. Great for quick meetings or talking while cooking. Just test the mic quality first, as it varies from brand to brand. And if you're worried about your clumsy friend breaking it, consider getting a speaker case. They protect your speaker from scratches, dust, and damage during travel. Some even have space for charging cables. It's a small investment to protect your bigger one. Okay, next up, stereo pairing. Some brands let you pair 2 identical speakers for true stereo sound. This adds depth to your music and improves the listening experience. Perfect for parties or watching movies. JBL, Sony, and UE offer stereo pairing through their apps. Before hitting the road, charge your speaker fully. Even with long battery life, you don't want to run out of juice. Some models take 4 to 5 hours to charge completely, and a portable charger or power bank can be a game changer when you read far from a power outlet. And hey, don't forget to match your speaker's style to your personality. Bluetooth speakers come in every color and design. Whether you want something sleek and modern or loud and funky, there's a look for everyone. Ultimate Ears even offers customizable skins or color combos. Make it yours. Now, when you're blasting tunes, avoid maxing out the volume all the time. Playing music at max volume can distort the sound and reduce the speaker's lifespan. Keep it around 70 to 80% for the best audio quality and to preserve battery life. And here's a fun fact. Bluetooth speakers have firmware too. Updating ensures you get bug fixes, improved connection, and sometimes even new features. Check the app or brand website for updates and learn the button functions. Each speaker has a unique button layout. Before assuming your speaker is broken, read the manual or app guide. Some buttons have multi-functions like play, pause, skip, or voice assistant activation. Learn these and you'll use your speaker much more efficiently. And don't forget to clean your speaker regularly. Dust, sand, and dirt can clog up speaker grills and ports, especially on outdoor models. Use a soft cloth and brush to gently clean the exterior. Avoid using water or chemicals unless the speaker is waterproof and turned off. A clean speaker is a happy speaker. Last but not least, check the return and warranty policies before you buy. It's smart to have a solid warranty or return policy in case you have sound issues or Bluetooth quirks out of the box. A 1-year warranty is standard, but some brands offer more. Peace of mind is priceless. So there you have it. 20 genius tips for using your Bluetooth speaker like a pro. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for tuning in and happy listening. In the link below is some Bluetooth speakers.